I just stopped on the side of the road to get some drone shots. I realized that I was parked on shells. They're not rocks. That's pretty cool. So like all the, I guess they wash over from the water over there. And like the world's biggest pine cones. Like in Missouri we don't have big pine cones. But anyway, I think today will just be a drone day, essentially. God bless. I don't know how people in California live. At least in terms of gas. I was asking what Missouri has cheap gas. But then there are other places that are even cheaper, but they're oceanside, so I guess Missouri just kind of sucks anyway. Shooting on wide now too, so the shot will probably be like bigger, more distorted. Also, I'm trying to take the drone out, but everywhere in the universe is a restricted flight zone. Even where I am right now is just an emergency helicopter landing area, so basically screw me. Dynamic shot of a crappy drone. But that was just me complaining. I'm gonna go find somewhere I can fly it, and then the next few shots should be some nice drone footage finally. Yep, another place. Tried to stop, get cool drone thing, no flight zone. It's just populated areas. They just mark them as no flight zones because they don't want people flying drones there. Which is by far the most ungodly annoying thing in the universe. It's cool, it's cool. No, don't worry. So instead of making sure that drone footage is regulated properly, they just make it where no one can fly. And then to top it all off, I've got anxiety on driving through this area because everyone's stupid and thinks they have the right of way. Now some places they do have the right of way, but I was just at a light where it said do not cross and there were people crossing and it made all the traffic stop. So that was cool. It's weird, some of these vlogs are actually me going out and doing things and the other ones just kind of turn into me not going insane therapy sessions. Well, there was all of 30 West. It was really nice driving through it, but I got to see absolutely none of it on my camera. I guarantee I'm gonna go a couple miles, like 5-10 minutes down here. I'm gonna try and take off, and I can almost assure you that I will be able to take off right now that I've gotten out of that tourist attraction.
More than ever, it's so late, and there's no time. I need you now.
Gee willikers, you just need a whole assortment of people when you have a camera. I was just getting the drone shots you saw, and some random person came up and started talking to me, and they're from Colorado. Her name was Leah. You meet all kinds of people when you have a camera in your hands. Even though everyone's camera shy, but everyone wants to talk to the cameraman. I don't understand why people would pay $5 to $10 to go over on that pier when you've got amazing views right here, just sitting on a random bench. Gee willikers, you just need a whole assortment of people when you have a camera. I was just getting the drone shots you saw, and some random person came up and started talking to me, and they're from Colorado. Her name was Leah. You meet all kinds of people when you have a camera in your hand. Even though everyone's camera shy, but everyone wants to talk to the cameraman. I don't understand why people would pay $5 to $10 to go over on that pier when you've got amazing views right here, just sitting on a random bench. How it would suck is if the person that runs the camp wasn't there, and I wasn't able to camp, and I guess I'd just sleep at a restaurant. Actually, you know what, to be honest, if a restaurant would let me sleep there, I would totally sleep at a McDonald's. Order like 10 burgers or something, just pig out. I highly recommend, if people ever get Big Macs at McDonald's, think about just getting 5 or 10 normal cheeseburgers and eating that instead. I'm totally not supposed to cross here, but I'm just gonna cross anyway. It's not that bad. The vlog where we make bad decisions daily. I wonder if that stuff actually looked cool in slow-mo, or if it just looked like normal traffic. I'll put like some epic music or something over it. I will say this travel pack is super nice, but sometimes I take the just GoPro pack because it's really inconvenient. I mean, when I say inconvenient, I mean like inconvenient in a really nice way. It can be too suppressive sometimes, and I can't just open it up, close it. I have to open that and then open the GoPro pack, so sometimes I just take it out. But we gonna be on our way. We're gonna go to a campsite, gonna set up a camp, and then we're gonna make some din-din. Don't ask what all this was. I just try to be dynamic. Please don't unsubscribe. Look, spend some time in a solitary room, basically like I'm in a car. don't talk to anyone for 24 hours or 5 days, I bet you'll start doing weird things. I mean, look at me. I started drinking water. I don't drink water, but apparently sodas are a non-natural resource. Well, I don't know if we're gonna make it to the campsite, and it's almost getting close to sundown, so I found a dock, and I figured it was a good time to get dock photos. I say dock photos, but I mean dock drone stuff. So I guess this kind of makes up for all the lost drone footage I didn't get at Seagrove. But here's the sunset. To the docks, gonna get some photos. Will this be the Forsaken vlog that I actually get a good outro? What? Or even for Pete's sakes, remember to do an outro sometime. Oh dearie, this is where I'm gonna do the outro on this little tiny walkway. Hopefully I don't fall. Woo! Oh no. Hundreds of dollars of equipment. I made it. All right, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.